Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee. At ang sender natin ay si Maria Shop.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, yung order ko rito guys is yung insole.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ano raw to guys orthopedic insole. So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. So guys, ang kinuha kong sukat is 39 to 40. Maliit lang kasi yung paa ko guys eh. So bali guys, ito yung insole. So ito yun guys. So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.